If you've been living in a cave recently, then you may not have heard about ChatGPT, a fantastic chatbot that's available to the public, or at least for the moment anyway. Now you may be thinking, how is this chatbot going to help me in my small business? Well, I'm going to share just one quick example of how it can help you come up with an email template to deal with inquiries that come into your business. So let's crack on. After you've logged into ChatGPT, you need to think of what to ask it. Now, I don't know about you, but I always start my chats with hello or hi there, as I just don't feel right barking out an order. So I make sure to remember my please and thank yous. In my head, I just think that one day this is going to rule the world, and I'm hoping that it will remember those who are nice to it. Does anybody else feel like that, or is that just me? Probably just me. So anyway, you need to think of how you want to phrase the question. So one of the things you need to do is try to include as much detail as you can. The more detail you provide, the more accurate the response will be. So for example, I'm asking if it could give me a template I can use for my small business, and then saying it's just me in my business in case it starts putting in our instead of my. And then I'm saying it's in response to inquiries received about my one-to-one coaching, and could it be done in a friendly manner? And this is where the magic happens. You can see it's already responding straight away. And look at that, it's typing out an email template I can use in my small business in response to inquiries that come in about one-to-one coaching. It's brilliant. And you can actually expand on it as well. So if you have a question about this particular template, ask the question and it will respond again. It's just fantastic. And at the end, I always say thanks, or thanks a million, or thanks so much, just because I'm polite and I want it to remember me when it rules the world. So once it's done, all you can then do is just highlight and copy the wording. So either right click and copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Control and C. Open a new email in your Gmail and paste the wording into it. So either right click and paste or press Ctrl and V. So this has kept the background colour from the ChatGPT page, and we just need to remove the formatting. So highlight the text, then click on the formatting options button, which is the underlined letter A at the bottom, and then the button over on the far right is remove formatting. And then it's just a matter of going through and editing the wording so it sounds more like your voice. Please, please don't just leave it as it is. Make sure you go through and make the changes as necessary. Then, once you're done, remove your email signature and then click on the three dots at the bottom of the email. Click on Templates, then click Save Draft as Template, Save as New Template, and then give it a name. And this is now saved as a template. So you can now discard this email. To use the template, either compose a new email or reply to an existing one, click on the three dots at the bottom, go to Templates, and under Insert, find the template you've just created, click on that, and job done. It's just a matter of going through and personalizing it as needed. So ChatGPT is an amazing tool, and I strongly recommend you set up an account and have a play around to see what else it can do for you and your business. And if you want to understand a bit more about Gmail templates, then I show you a little bit more in this video. You'll find it in tip number 5. As always, thanks for watching. Go and have some fun with ChatGPT, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.